Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the update notifications on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. Here you can find the second option, the notifications, and you can find the first option, the notices slash updates, receive notifications for useful info like notices. And if you want to turn on, just click to the next white circle icon, and new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.